Can you build another house with your magnet blocks? Those are so cool. What you got down there? Oh, I see. That's where the rest of them are. What you making, buddy? What are you making, Jackson? Do you know? Uh-oh. That is so cool. Hey, buddy, do you like your blocks? Jackson, Mommy's talking to you. I'm going to take that Bobby out of your mouth if you don't answer me. Do you like your blocks?
Yep.
Yep. Can you make a house like we did before? Can you show Mommy how we do that? I don't remember. Oh, they're cars? Colors?
A lollipop.
A lollipop? Where did that come from?
I want Doritos.
Doritos?
Yeah.
I don't think we have Doritos.
Yeah, we do.
We do? Let's, all right, let's go look.